move on next here at 5 to the emotional testimony today as the Hillsborough County Deputy who adopted Ronnie Oneal's son took the stand. Prosecutors say Oneal attempted to kill that young boy the same night of the double murders that he's currently standing trial for. And ABC Action News reporter Heather Lee was inside the courtroom today as the deputy told jurors how he became the boy's legal father.
With a deep breath and a brief pause,
I told her my wife and I'd be happy to take him.
This Hillsborough County Sheriff's Corporal tearfully recalled how his relationship with Ronnie Oneal's son formed. We've chosen not to identify the deputy in order to protect the boy's identity.
The evening of the 30th, I went back with my wife and watched a movie.
That was after he had spent the entire day with him. He heard he was a big football fan and was able to get him some Bucs swag. A year and a half later, a person who was assigned to speak up for the little boy's best interest approached a deputy and his wife about whether they knew someone who could adopt him. And they made a choice.
And did you and your wife subsequently, in fact, adopt as her own son?
We did on November 25th, 2019.
The corporal, who was a detective at the time of the double murders, did show up to the scene, but testified he had never met the little boy. He was only tasked with securing a search warrant and transporting an inmate uniform to a fellow detective.
At that point, was your part in this investigation of this case over?
Yes, sir.
In cross-examination, Oneal made just one statement.
Thank you, sir, for all that you've done. I mean that from the bottom of my heart to the top of my head. No further questions, John.
Earlier in the day, jurors heard testimony from Billy Smith, Ronnie Oneal's stepdad, who talked about a frantic late-night call.
He told me, Kiki is trying to kill me, Kiki is trying to kill me, they're trying to kill me.
He told jurors the call woke him up and didn't last long.
There was so much noise behind the background of the phone, and next thing you know, the phone just went dead.
Okay. Did you try to call him back?
Yes, I did.
Several times?
Several times.
Did anyone answer the phone?
No.
Smith and his wife rushed to the home to find a crime scene and then rushed to Tampa General Hospital, where Oneal's son was being treated for second and third degree burns and stab wounds.
He was in critical condition. He was on a ventilator and had a tube in his esophagus, in his trachea in order to breathe. He had multiple tubes in his neck and chest.
A fire investigator also told jurors he smelled gasoline while examining the little boy's clothes, as well as Oneal's daughter's clothes. The judge told Oneal he needs to prepare to call his witnesses starting tomorrow. Heather Lee, ABC Action News.